Most important thing in the world is what? Time, health. If you get the health, you can buy time. If you do not have the health, you cannot do anything with the time. So, how do we manifest health and wellness? My name is Ekam and I welcome each one of you in this YouTube channel Decode Your Destiny, where we talk about spirituality, manifestation, law of attraction, and so many other things, which is going to transform your life and it will help you to become the bestest version of yourself. So, manifesting health through mindset means what? Believing in your mind that your body is fit, healthy, and capable enough to do any task, no matter what is it. Believing in your body's ability to heal, thrive, and grow. This is the mindset which you want to have it. Okay? Then I'll not going to give a lecture about health and how much important it is, but I'm going to tell you some techniques if you're facing any kind of health issues, if you're wanting some healings in your life, then what you can do, how you can have the perfect health. I'm going to talk about it. Okay? Why? Because no matter what you're doing in your life, if this body is not there with you, then doesn't matter how much success, money, relationship, people are there in your life. It's not going to like have any meaning. So you already know that health is wealth, but still you're not doing it. Anyways, if you're facing any kind of health issues, make sure you consult a doctor first. There are so many doctors, there are so many nutritionists, there are so many yoga teachers, there are so many fitness trainers. What are you waiting for? I don't know what exactly you are waiting for, but anyways, so you have to visualize the perfect health, the perfect body, the perfect skin. You have to visualize that you are healing because it starts with this thing. No matter how much of people, how many people are there in your life, they are caring for you, they are giving you food, medicine, they are giving you company, they are giving you everything. But your own body, your own mind says, I am ill, I can't do this thing, I can't do that thing, my body is not with me, I am ill. Again and again you say, I am ill, I have there pain, I have hair pain. You have pain, okay, it's okay, you have pain, you have trauma, you have fever, you have diseases, it's okay, but you can fix it with your mindset. Medicine you're taking, keep taking. Diet you're following, keep following. Yoga you're doing, keep doing. But what about this mindset? If you have registered in your mind that you are ill, then nothing is going to help you. So visualize the perfect health. Okay, imagine yourself feeling energetic, fit, and healthy. Have a good nutrition plan for yourself. Have healthy habits to support your manifestation, like eating nutritious food, exercising, practicing mindfulness, meditation. Then affirmations, what you can do for your health is, my body is strong and healthy, I am grateful for my vibrant energy. Okay, and now I want you to tell me what kind of health issues you are having and what is your plan of action of tackling it. What you're going to do, tell me. You have to tell me what you're going to do in order to fight with this health problem and what is your goal for health. Let me know. That's all. Stay happy. God bless you. Om Namah Parvati Pate Har Har Mahadev.